Are you a web designer or a web developer who wants to enhance their web design skills by learning UI? If that sounds like you, I have something for you. Web design and UI is like a match made in heaven. Also, you can make way more money as a web designer who has some level of UI design knowledge than any other person. Hi folks, my name is Saptarshi Prakash. I'm currently a senior product design manager at Swiggy. In my career so far, I have worked with some of the popular startups of India like Housing.com, Zeta, and many other big and small names around the world. I've also delivered more than 70 UI UX talks at various organizations and companies like Amazon, Grab, Shopee, Practo, and popular colleges like IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, and NID Bangalore. I love teaching people, and to share my years of learning and experience, I'm doing a program on UI design in partnership with Growth School. And in this program, you're going to learn the fundamentals of visual design, my tips and tricks of creating world-class UI, the concept of visual first design, and much, much more. This program is so practical that at the end of it, you would have created your own user interface of an e-commerce app. So just click on the link below and head over to the landing page to know more about the program. Not to mention, I'm also offering additional bonuses which will give you access to many exclusive things. Seats are limited, so take action now, and I will see you right inside the program.